Sai Ram children, now we will begin our maths class. Okay, so we will continue with chapter 3 addition. Today we will be doing addition using carry over method. Okay, so get ready with everything, your books, notebooks, pencil, eraser. Okay, all are ready? Now see here children, what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers 356 plus 587. So what we will do? First we will add the numbers that is in ones place. 6 plus 7. So start counting on your fingers. How much you are getting? We are getting 13. Okay. Now next what we will be doing? We will be adding the numbers 5 plus 8, that is in tens place. So again 5 plus 8. It is 13. Now come to the hundreds place. We will add which number? 3 plus 5. So we got here 8. Is it correct? Are you feeling it is correct? No, this is wrong. This is wrong. We cannot write like this after adding the numbers. Okay? So our sum will be wrong. So what we have to do? What we will be doing? Let's do together now. Now, when you are getting these big numbers, you have to add. Now, see what we will do. So again, 6 plus 7, 13. Okay? 6 plus 7, 13. So we have to write 3. Now see here 13. It is a 2-digit number. That is tens and ones place. Okay. So what we will do? We will write 3, that is in the ones place. And what to do with this one? This one will be carried over to the next place, that is in tens place. You have to put this carry over number on the top. Okay. Now we will add these three numbers, that is 1 plus 5. How much? 6. And 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. We are getting how much? We are getting 14. So what we will write? We will write this 4 here, and this one will be carried over to the place of hundreds. Now, what to do? We will add again these three numbers. 1 plus 3, that is 4. And 4 plus 5, 9. So, how much did we get after adding these two numbers? What is the total? We are getting 943. Okay? Understood? So we will do the addition, carry over like this. Now see what this boy has done. Okay? He has done some mistake and we will find it out. The same sum 356 plus 587. So 6 plus 7, you know, you are getting 13. So he has written 13. Okay, the number also he has carried to the tens place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 14. What he have written? See what he has written? He has written 13. Okay. Again that one is carried over in the hundreds place. And 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. But he has written 8. What he has done? He has not added this 1. He forgot to add the carry over number. He forgot to add the 1 which he has carried to the next place. So you will remember to add the carried over digits. Understood? First of all, when we are adding, you have to put the addition sign, and if the sum is of carry over, remember you have to put the number, you have to take away the number to the next column to carry. Okay? Now the same thing again I will explain you. Look here, then together we will solve the sums from your books. Addition using carryover method. Step 1, see, add the ones. The numbers is being added. 6 plus 7, we are getting 13. I told you, no, we are getting 13, but you cannot write in that box. So what we have to do? Do you remember? Yes, we will write only 3 there in the ones place, and the 1, that is 13, that 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now see step 2. 13 is a 2-digit number. Write 3 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now again add the tens including the carried over. So 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 plus 8, 14. We have to write only 4 there. And again the 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. See here. Step 3. 14 is again a 2-digit number. Write 4 in the tens place and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Add the hundreds including the 1 carried over. So again, you will not forget to add the carried over number. So this 943, we also got, no, first I have showed you. Understood how we will do the sums now? So the total is 943. Done. Now we will add the numbers. We will write the numbers in their place. How we used to write the numbers? You have to add 48 plus 267. How you will place the number? 48, 2-digit number. Start with the ones place, 8, and then 4 in tens place. Now 267. 7, then 6, then 2. Okay? Now we will, from where we will begin? Which numbers we will add first? 8 plus 7. Yes, start counting. 8 plus 7, we are getting 15. So what we have to write there? What we will write? We will write the 15. No. Then what we will write there? We will write only 5 there. And what will happen to 1? 1 will be carried over here to the tens place. Okay. Now 1 plus 4, 5. Now whenever you are doing the sum, you have to do the rough work in your notebook. Okay, you are learning now, na? So 1 plus 4, 5. So here you will, in your rough book, you will write like this 5. And remember 5 and 5 plus this 6 you have to add. You will do like this in your rough work, then you will do not forget. So 5 plus 6, again you will count. How much did you get? We are getting 11. So what do we have to write? 11, which number? This one. Here you will write, and this one in the tens place. This again 2-digit number, tens and ones. So this one will be carried over here to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 2, 3. Got it? What I am trying to explain you? Did you get this number 315 after adding these two numbers? So 315 is the total. It is the answer. Done. Okay. You have also finished? Good. Now the next sum. Yes, you try to write. How you will write? 197 plus 655. Yes, we will start again. Like this? No. What you will write there? 197 plus 655. First you will write 7, 9, 1. Then 655, 5, 5, 6. Now start your addition. Start adding the numbers. 7 plus 5. Yes, 12. 12. So what we have to do with the 1? You will write 2 here and 1 will be carried over here. 1 plus 9. Do the rough work, children. 1 plus 9. How much you are getting? We are getting 10. Then 10 plus 5. Like this you will do. Now add these two numbers. 10 plus 5 is 15. So which number we will write? We have to write only 5 here, and this one will be carried over to the hundreds place. Okay. Now again what we will do? 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 6, 8. So you remembered to carry the numbers to the next place. So your answer is correct. And if you forget to add the carried over numbers, it will be wrong. So by adding these two numbers, 197 plus 655, we got the answer, or we got the total 852. Okay, done. Shall we move to the next? Okay. Now see the numbers. It is written tens, ones. So you have to add these three numbers. 45 plus 23 plus 18. Now together we will add. Now you try how to do this sum. Start from the ones place. We will first add these three numbers. 5 plus 3 plus 8. So 5 plus 3, how much you are getting? We are getting 8. Okay, rough work also you can do or keep in your mind. And then with this 8, we have to add this 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16. You will write only 6 and 1 will be carried to the next place. Okay, so 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 you are getting. How much did you get? 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, now again remember you have added and you have got the number 5. Now 5 plus 2 you have to do. What you have to do? 5 plus 2. How much you are getting? 7. And now we will add 7. We will add the number 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So, after adding all these three numbers, we are getting the number 86. Okay? After adding or all together adding these numbers, we are getting 86. Your sum is correct. Okay? Now this one you will be writing down. See the numbers. 38 plus 46 plus 12. Now you start doing. Then we will check together that your answer is correct or not. Write. How you will write? Written. Shall I start now? Okay. 38. 8 and 3 like this. Then 46, 6 and 4. Put the plus sign here and 12. This much you have done. Now first what we have to add? Which numbers? 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, how much did you get? 8 plus, do the rough work. 14 you got. Okay. And 14 plus this 2. 14 plus 2. How much you are getting? You are getting 16. So what you will write? Which number? This 6 you have to write. We will add this, we will write this 6 here in the ones place. And what will happen to this one? 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we will add all these numbers together. That is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. Remembered? Then 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. You can write in your rough place 8. And then this 8 plus 1 you have to do. And we are getting 9. Okay. After adding these three numbers together, we are getting how much? How much the total is? 96. You also got 96? Okay, try to do the rough work because you are learning now. If you do the rough work, you will remember the numbers also. And children, please don't be in hurry. Slowly you do. Take your time and do it. Because if you forget to add the carried over numbers, then your sum will be wrong. Okay? Now, the same thing. You start writing the numbers. We will add these numbers 72 plus 109 plus 456. And whenever you are doing these sums, you have to do the rough work in your rough book. I have showed you, or wherever in the notebook where you are doing your sums, there in the side you do the rough work. Okay. Now write 72. Yes. Start writing 72. Then 7. 109, 9, 0 and 1. Then 456, 6, 5, 4. Put the addition sign. Yes. Now you start the addition. Okay, until that time I am writing these numbers. 506 plus 73 plus 182. I will be writing the numbers, okay? And you do the addition. Then we will see that you have done correct or not. 506, 605 plus 73, 3, 7 because it is a 2-digit number. 182, 2, 8, 1. Now we will do the addition. Okay, start adding the numbers from the ones place. 2 plus 9, 11. So you can write in your rough place, wherever you are doing 11, and 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 is 17. You will write 7 and 1 will be carried here. Okay, like this you write. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0, again 8. And 8 plus 5 is 13. 13. So we wrote here 3 and again 1 will be carried over here. So 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 4, you got 6. So altogether, adding these three numbers, we got 637. How much did you get? 637. Correct? Your sum is correct? Good. Now, start adding the numbers. Now 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 we have written here. Again, yes, right here. Carry 1 to the tens place. What you will be adding now? 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 7, 8. Yes, 8. Slowly do. And 8 plus 8, 16. So write only 6 there. And 1 will be carried over here. Now in the hundreds place, we have to add these three numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. So you got the total 761. Got no? Very good. So you have learned how to put the carried over number to the next column, next place, and don't forget to add the carry one, okay, or carried numbers. Now this is your homework. You do it. Note down the numbers. And whatever we have done, it is in your book. You can do in your book, your notebook. Okay, this homework, this one you do in your notebook. Copy down the numbers and write in proper place. Wherever you have to write. Now see the third sum, children. First one is 55 plus 28 plus 10. Okay. Then 49 plus 20 plus 14. And the third one is you have to add which numbers? 4 plus 27 plus 8. So how you will write? 4 is a single digit number. It will be in ones place. Then 27, 7 and 2. And again 8. Where you will write? Which place? Tens or ones? Yes, in ones place. And then together you will add all these three numbers. Okay? 180 plus 267 plus 538. Now 438 plus 225 plus 204. And again the last one, 806 plus 9 plus 15. I have showed you, I have told you, explained you also how you will write the numbers. So this one you will write.